Tips for school administrators to motivate their teachers. In this series of short tips, we would love to help administrators to learn how to support their teacher and help them to excel. Tip 4. How to be a good administrator. Good administrators work hard to keep teachers focused on the best interests of students. They continually remind teachers about the value of their work and about their potential to impact students. This helps teachers remain mindful of their ultimate purpose and hold on to the passion that fuels their fire. The best administrators not only preach the importance of teachers collaborating, they collaborate themselves. They ask teachers to try new technology, but not without taking any of their own risks. Good leaders don't manage from their office. They lead from the hallway in the classroom. They are engaged and intentional about setting an example. They are walking the walk. These administrators are not simply telling teachers the way, but are modeling it. Teachers will find this type of authenticity inspiring. So be a good administrator.